Hi there, I just want to give you a sneak peek into something very secret that I've been working on in the studio. And it's something that a few people have been asking me about is what I've been up to in the spare 5 minutes or so I get in between all of the commission work that I've got on. So have a look at this. I'll just switch the camera around and you can see in amongst my crazy mess of a studio at the moment because Phil's about to rip up the floor and replace the floor. It's looking a bit crazy around here, but have a look in front of me here. There's my new piece of furniture that's going into my new renovated studio. This is an antique writing desk. So have a look at the secret that's hiding inside here. So I need to just do this little secret thing here. Bring this out. This beautiful piece of furniture. I just love it. So then I come up here and open this up. And oh my goodness, this is my mixed media journaling desk. So we've got a workshop coming up on Saturday, and I just wanted to give you a little sneaky peek at some of the things that I've been doing in my secret journal here, because this is an example of some of the things that we're going to be playing with in the Saturday workshop that's coming up. So if you want to join us, watch out for your email, or if you're on our email list, or go to the link that I'll post just down below. So you can see that there's all sorts of different styles in here and different colors, and it's just a place to have fun and experiment and play in between doing real live artist professional work. So there's cursive writing in here, so you can write secret little thoughts in here as well. So there's lots of fun sticking letters in as well, throwing paint around and having some play. There's even a little bit of bling there. Can you see that bling in the middle there? So that's what it's looking like in my secret journal. So that's your little sneak preview of some of the fun that we've got coming up in the Saturday workshop, this coming Saturday, a mixed media journaling workshop. So I hope to see you there. Check out the link that I'm going to post below. Thanks for watching.